respective days. So this is the price opening. You can see this red color candlestick that indicates the yesterday's market price opening. So there was no doubt about the trend. We expected gold to continue and maintain its uptrend. The only difference was that the stop loss zone was quite higher, but that is how the gold market reacts. So after the price opening from 31,300, the market came down, and you can see it was trading around the 31,240s. And let us see what happened after that. The market was taking some support around 31,220s. We have marked it as a support zone. You can see that the market was taking some support around this zone. Even the market tried to come down, but after breaking the support, it entered into this zone of 31,260, and again you can see that the market gained a clear buying momentum. So it went up till 31,420. Even though yesterday was a holiday in US, we don't have a pit session, regular session yesterday. You can see the market had a good volatility. So the market went up and tested the expected zone of 31,420. You can see this acted as a resistance that pushed the market down till 31,260 again, and it closed around 31,283. So there is no doubt that yesterday also there was some good buying in gold market. You can see how fast the market had moved to 31,420. And today's expected price opening is going to be somewhere around above 31,320. So you can expect somewhere around 31,320 to 31,360, or it can be above that also. So that is subject to changes based upon the currency value. Watching this presentation well before both the market price opens, but we are expecting that the market can open above 31,320, which indicates that the market can good for buying. So you can go for buying, but please look into the scenario that the stop loss zone is much higher. Till 30,920 you can go for a buying. You can see that the stop loss zone is much higher, but there is no other go. Given the volatility in gold market, you should have sufficient funds for averaging till this zone. So till this zone we expect gold to maintain its uptrend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And one bit of advice for traders is that if you have missed this trend in gold market, don't try to catch it. Let us wait for an opportunity. The market and never move like this. Suddenly it will keep on moving. It will not happen in any market conditions. Sure, gold will come down, consolidate, and then it will show a clear trend like what happened on the last week. So don't always try to catch the trend. Be patient enough. The market will come down and consolidate. So if you had missed the trend, if you are in line with the trend, make the most of it. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session and the target zones. We have marked all the target zones very clearly. Now let us see whether the price can reach 31,500, and probably it can test 32,000 also. So all depends upon the market, how far the market is sustaining its trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.